Okay, it's December 22, year 2010. Okay guys, let me show you how to pack your jet plane. Okay, a safer way of packing your jet plane. Let me show you, there's Einstein S9. There's S9 from Norway. He came from all the way from Norway and packed his jet plane there. Wow, is that a MiG? Is that a MiG?
That's a MiG-15.
MiG-15, huh? Look at that, very compact.
Chinese.
Nice. There, with a very small package, and it can keep all your jet plane there. Part of wings. I like it. Very detailed, huh? Is that made in China? The plane?
No. It's made in the States.
Okay, made in States, huh? Nice.
It's a model of one from China. You see? You can even go swimming and everything. Everything here, babe.
Is it waterproof? Even when you drop this on the ocean, it still fly? Look at that! Oh, I really like it. Oh,
Okay.
there.
It's a veteran shirt.
What's that? For packing. Okay.
It was so humid the day we were packing it, remember?
Nice. Ooh. Oh, even there. Is that a real tank?
We have 2 Americans and 1 commie bastard. So we shoot down the lone MiG, okay?
Hey, look. It was so humid the day we packed it up.
Yeah.
It's nice, huh?
The first time I brought my
It's very compact. No? Ganda yung casing niya, nagawa ko niyan. Been thinking of making one for my helicopter. So I can put it on my motorcycle.
Yeah.
Huh? Galing, no?
Have you been growing?
Just imagine, look at those tubing. The air, the tracks. Wow!
Look at the molds it grew inside. Because it was
You can borrow it today if you want.
Galing! I just wonder how are we going to keep this in this kind of airplane? Must be very huge case.
I don't think I'll put it all together before I glue the stuff I need to glue. Okay, it's low, but it's not so bad.
Not bad.
It's working. It's low, but it's working. You have a case for this one?
And that's
What's the name of your kids?
TJ.
TJ, huh?
He's gonna make you famous.
There's Toti's son, TJ. There. Is that your plane, the big one, the quarter scale?
yes.
Okay. I guess if you can fly that plane, I'm sure you can fly the jet. Have you tried flying your dad's jet?
No, he won't let me.
Okay. But I'm sure he will let you. He will use a training cord.
Wow.
Ooh. Okay guys, this is just TJ's toy, but look at his real toy. There's TJ's real toy. It's extra 300 gasoline power. Okay, and while this is his dad's toy, the jet.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a scale one here.
That one is F22 and this one is F15. Okay, this one is built by Anthony. There's Anthony.
F15 Eagle.
Yeah, it takes Anthony more than 2.5 months to build. Anthony, or 4?
2.5.
2.5 months. Okay.
It's not painted yet.
Not yet painted, so
Just fly it
yeah.
during Christmas and then afterwards we're gonna paint it.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice
What
scale.
scheme are you?
What color you plan to paint it? In blue or?
Gray maybe, the real one.
Gray. It gets easily disoriented with that color.
Maybe red and white. We'll find out.
Yeah, just paint something very attractive so you can easily see it. Yeah, like this one. This is a military version. The F-22. And use a Futaba receiver. Okay, there. Okay, later I will fly my this electric helicopter, MD-500.
I sewed this for his wing.
Alright.
Okay, December 22, year 2010. We're here in anong location to? Magalang Airfield. This is the home of ultralight airplane. And it's also Angeles City Flying Club. Okay, so let me show you around. Let's see how big the field is. Let me give you a 360 view. There, look at the field. Huge field. Okay, it's a paradise for a RC airplane. Okay, now we're going to test fly Toti's new jet plane. We're setting it up. This is a F-15. Yeah.
Avons.
Okay. We just fill it up and pressurize also the retracts. There, look at the gauge. It's powered by how many bar? It's a 6 bar.
Sign, I have a mini servo on my nose here. You think you could have
There, look at the pressure.
off center? Good, huh? Metal gear.
Yeah.
So should we change it to a standard one?
I would have a strong one in the last year.
Ah, really, yeah.